can't get in there. Daddy, now this lake's starting to hurt.
Kitty, you're gonna get. Oh my goodness.
Hey, look at Malia climbed in there.
She really wants to get out. There's no exit down there. Or is there? Is there an exit down there?
No.
Kitty. Kitty.
She's so cute.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Do you think, there's like a little exit up there, Mom?
I think she wants to be an outside cat.
He's like, I want to go back in. Go back in. That's my secret.
Oh my goodness.
I like this place. It's like
Like a squirrel.
the pool party. I love my pool, but there's no water in here. Oh no!
You can't get out that way. You can't get out that way. Come on, Malia. We'll let you out some other time. Come on. It doesn't go. There's no exit.
Ow!
She's so determined.
She's like a gecko, right, Mom?
There's no doggy door on that side. She need help. I can't. I think you need to help her get out.
You want me to help her out?
Yeah. She's meowing, hoping the bottom will open up.
Look, Mom!
What?
Dad!